Why do 80% of cyber breaches start with phishing? Let's find out how you can fight back with Zphisher. In the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity, staying ahead of malicious actors is crucial. One common tactic they use is phishing, creating fraudulent websites to steal sensitive info. For ethical hackers, Zphisher is your secret weapon. Zphisher is an open-source phishing tool that lets you create realistic phishing pages with ease. With over 30 pre-built templates for platforms like Facebook, Google, and Instagram, it's versatile and user-friendly. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with ngrok and Cloudflare for hosting. Before you get started, remember, ethical hacking means you must have permission from your target. Unauthorized use? That's illegal and unethical. Use Zphisher responsibly to train users, assess vulnerabilities, and conduct research. Getting Zphisher up and running is simple. On a Linux system, just install Git and PHP, clone the repository, and launch the tool. Follow the on-screen prompts to pick your phishing template and hosting service. Creating a phishing page? Easy. Select a template, host it via ngrok or Cloudflare, and share the link in a controlled environment. Analyze the results to spot security gaps and help users improve their online habits. Always prioritize consent, education, and documentation in your ethical phishing tests. Remember, the goal is to build stronger defenses, not to shame users. Phishing is a major cyber threat, accounting for over 80% of breaches globally. By simulating these attacks, you can identify weak points, raise awareness, and test your security measures. Zphisher is powerful, but with great power comes great responsibility. Use it to make a positive impact in cybersecurity, uncover vulnerabilities, train users, and bolster defenses against real-world threats. So, ready to master ethical hacking with Zphisher? Let's go catch some fish.